Forget everything you thought you knew about wine in the Bible. It's not just about feasts and rituals, it's a profound key to unlocking deeper spiritual truths. In the ancient world, wine was a staple of daily life, a symbol of joy and blessing. Psalm 104 says it gladdens the heart of man. It was a gift from God, a sign of prosperity, but wine also holds a darker meaning. The prophets used the cup of wrath to symbolize God's judgment. It's a duality. One moment it represents celebration and the new covenant at the Last Supper. The next, it's a warning against excess. In the Gospel of Matthew, Jesus says, "I tell you, I will not drink of this fruit of the vine from now on until that day when I drink it new with you in my Father's kingdom." Matthew 26:29. The wine of the Bible is a metaphor for transformation. From water to wine, from the old covenant to the new, from judgment to joy. It's a story of both blessing and warning. Want more reflections from the kitchen? Subscribe now.